Good morning, Kinder families. It's Tuesday, April 7th. As I look at our digital learning board today, just a friendly reminder to check in with Miss Sampson with her daily announcements. The kids can do the daily interactive calendar. Ball words are tucked in here, and all login information is here. Also, if I scroll down just a little bit, this is also just another friendly reminder that your links for specialists are up here at the top. Gym, art, music, and then technology's got a new one for the new week. So make sure you're checking in on one of those each day. Otherwise, we are ready to go to April 7th already. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the bookmark. It's going to take me down to today's learning goals in math. We're still just using our count backward from 20 warm-up. I had so much fun listening to all the kids practice yesterday. I sent some feedback to a few of you to keep practicing. So here's your math warm-up. Scroll down, ways to make 10. I love seeing all the pictures and videos on Seesaw. These kids are learning a lot from you moms and dads, so nice job. There is a Making 10 page to fill in. I did not figure out how to put this onto Seesaw, so my apologies. Go ahead, print it out, take a picture of it, send it to me that way. Otherwise, moving on. Oh, and don't forget, if you finish up math, you can go to the Happy Numbers math app, and students can work in there as well. I check that daily to see what kind of progress friends are making. Over in reading, you're still working on I can identify the central idea and main topic and retell with important details. There's an anchor chart to remind us what that is. You're going to listen to the Giving Tree story today, and then you can reflect on it in your journal or on Seesaw or with each other. That's totally fine. Phonics Day 2 is linked right here. Reading fluency, again, you can use Rivet, Epic, RazKids, books from your house, whatever you've got. Just practice reading with each other each day. And then word work is those ball words, and I even got some messages that kids are passing this week. So nice job. That's amazing. Over here in writing, we're working on if you could visit your favorite place, where would you go and why? The challenge is 2 or 3 sentences or more, and then you also can share that on Seesaw if you want. Science is continuing to learn about the seasons. Yesterday you watched a video that introduced you to all of them. Today when you go into BrainBop Junior, you can click on each one of these to learn a little bit more specifically about them. You can do the quizzes and the jokes with them as you like. Those are there for you to explore. All right, well, I hope you guys all have a great Tuesday. After today, we have only got one more day of school this week, and then it's off to spring break. So I'm here for you. Reach out to me if you need me. Everything I've seen has been amazing. I'm so grateful for all your support. Junie B. Jones Read Aloud is coming. I promise. I know I've slacked the last couple of days. I am really adjusting to being a homeschool teacher for a 8th grader, 6th grader, 3rd grader, and I still have yet to get my preschooler going, but I will. So I'm trying to find that balance, and we're getting there. We're getting there. So I just appreciate all the grace that you are giving me, and I promise that those read alouds are coming because I enjoy them just as much as you. So have a great day. Like I said, reach out to me if you need me. Otherwise, I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.